we are back. We are going to install the handlebar grips today here. So I'm going to show you how we are going to install that. So this is the item that we have received.
We are here right now at this particular place called Bikers World. This place is in Radhaji Nagar in Bangalore. So they have all the accessories that you need of the bikes. So guys, I'm here at Bikers World and this is Raj. So Raj, you can say hi. So they have a wide variety of accessories of bike here for Royal Enfield Interceptor and almost all the bikes. So you can see they have lights, guards and keychains and helmets and lights and almost a lot of accessories, whatever you need for your bike. You guys can come in here and kind of buy it and they'll install it. So they also do custom modifications as well. So guys, the only background if you want to fit this on the other side, they have to cut and remove this particular pipe because this is required to be removed from the stock handlebars, and then that will be fitted into this aftermarket ones. So the only way to remove this is they have to cut and remove these stock ones. So yeah, there's no other go. If you want an aftermarket one, they have to cut and remove it, and only then with that one, with this particular holder, the other one will fit. So also guys, you have to trim these particular edges that is trimming here. Only then the handlebar grip will go inside it because it's quite different than the stock ones. So that has to be removed. Only then you'll be able to fit this one. Now he's fitting the right hand side ones. So let's see. Guys, he's putting the bar ends now, so let's see how it looks. So he's already completed on one side. See, this is how it looks after it is fitted, and he's fitting on the other end now. So guys, it's finished. See, this is how it looks. Finally, this is how it will look. This is how it is on the other side. Very comfortable now. I can feel the complete feel is different now. When you hold the handlebar, the feel is completely different.
So guys, that's the video of the handlebar fixing, grips fixing. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to get you some more of these videos to you soon. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.